from the domestic side. Firstly, after years where the National Treasury used to say the fiscal position will be better in the next 2 years or in the next 3 years. At the time the budget policy statement was presented, they said the fiscal position is better now, and we expect it to get even better. So the fiscal settings were sound. Secondly, this shock, when it hits you and the manner in which it evolves, the initial conditions matter, and it can say, from an inflation front, unlike the previous shock of 2022, where when the shock hit us, we were above target. This time around, we were bang on target, and we had a lower inflation target that had just been adopted, and we were on that lower target. Third is that at the time of the shock, the prices of our exports had risen faster than the prices of our imports. And so we had a rise in terms of trade. Since we talk about shocks, this was a positive shock. So we had a positive shock from the terms of trade. They have since adjusted as the oil price went up, but they are still higher than their
My concern from all this that has been said is the purchase power, the purchase power of the consumers in this country, since most of the youth or working class does not meet the demand. It doesn't. Cabbage prices are going up. Ngiyacela, mami can I? Kodwa nginobukhoni. Jwang. Anyway, smamela sinamon. Don't forget to like and subscribe.